Peace and blessings to you. My name is Sayyid Umar Shah, and I'm the founder of Ahlul-Bayt School of Leadership. I'm happy to know that you're watching this video. Ahlul-Bayt School of Leadership, or ABSOL, is dedicated to offer you the best service through education, training, and research portfolios in servant leadership model. We use examples from the lives of Ahlul Bayt, who are the people of the house of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Ali from his children through Fatima, may God's mercy and peace be upon them, and then the children of Hassan and Hussain to present day and to end of times. In the education portfolio, you'll find free online courses in servant leadership model. I encourage you to explore these courses and sign up and start your learning journey with us. In the training portfolio, we offer training in servant leadership model. Please explore the available trainings and contact us for details. In the research portfolio, we offer research program including through e-learning in the lives of Ahlul Bayt with a focus on personal development and leadership for humanity. Please explore the available program and sign up and start your learning journey with us. It is my sincere wish and prayer for you to excel in leadership, whether in your personal life, at home, in your professional career, and your communities. Please also subscribe to our newsletter, join our team, donate so we can continue our work, and contact us to learn more about how we can help. May God's peace and blessings be on you and your families.